How to open a Discover Bank money market account on desktop. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down the Open Discover Bank money market account or open an online account on Discover Bank or simply Discover Bank. Now they tap on the Open Online Account option available there. Once in there, you can see open an account at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the money market account, and once you tap on it, you will be asked about the information such as if you are the new customer or you are already the previous one who is trying to access this account. Now tap accordingly. After that, you will be asked to fill out some of your personal informations. Once you fill that out, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.